All right, we're booting up the new TOPDON ONE scanner. Got the VCI hooked in the OBD2 port there, and we're in a Hyundai. Let's go here. This may take a minute to set up, so bear with me. This thing will probably have to run updates for about 20 minutes or so once you get signed in with your email and all that. I already have a TOPDON account, so mine updated pretty quickly. But if you've never bought a TOPDON scanner before, you will have to put in your email and all that, and update this thing over Wi-Fi before using it. One little thing that, kind of slows you down the first time you use it, but usually after that first update, it's pretty easy peasy after that. So just keep that in mind. Okay, take 2 on auto reading the VIN. I had to hook to the VCI first. So now it should be detecting the VIN by itself. And there we go. These are little help things here. We're in the USA, so that's what we're going to select. Confirm at the bottom. I like this touch screen, it's very quick. And we're going to do auto scan. Very nice. So you got your topographical map here. I know we should have some codes in the TPMS because our tire pressure monitoring light is on. Let's see what happens. Oh, we got an ABS code too. I was just spinning some tires trying to get out of the ice. So let's see if that has anything going on. And if you're unfamiliar with this, what it's doing is scanning all the modules in the vehicle one at a time. And then I'm assuming those numbers are how many trouble codes are in each one. The TPS system in this car is a little wonky. It has, in the past, I'm assuming it's a BCM issue because it will trigger all 4 wheels at the exact same time on this car after about a 25-minute extended drive, and I have replaced the receiver module behind the glove box and all 4 wheel sensors, and it still just does it when it wants to. So I already know what that is, but let's check it. Yep, all 4 channels. So we'll hit clear. Light went out as expected. Let's go back to the main screen. Let's see if that turns green now on the topographical map, and it does. So let's see what ABS codes we got. So like I said, I was spinning some tires trying to get out of the ice. Vehicle safety management system error, brake light switch error, brake switch. Yeah, I was kind of braking gas and doing a bunch of funky stuff with the pedals, so trying to get out of this ice. So that kind of makes a little bit more sense. Let's clear them. Of course, a lot of these codes come up and they won't trigger a light or anything. They'll just be set in the background over so many drive cycles. So, yep. I was sawing the wheel at the same time. Oh, ignition. That's weird. Let's get rid of that one too. That's for the electronic power steering. Had more codes in this thing than I thought. I like the topographical view. I do love that because it kind of lays everything else out. So, let's see what this one is. History codes. B codes. I'll have to do a little more research on that. Can I snapshot this? Oh, that's a Google Chrome button. Okay. We'll go back. All right, I think I'm going to end the video right here. As you can see, everything is working properly. Look forward to using this thing a whole lot more. Hope you enjoyed the video. But again, this tool is on Amazon for $6.79, and got a great deal on it for what it's capable of doing. I don't think there's anything sub $800 level available right now that can do everything that this one does. So I'm really happy with it, and I'm gonna take a picture with my phone of these codes right here so I can do a little bit more research of why these codes are here. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.